because even as our businesses created 2 million new jobs last year, including 168,000 new jobs last month, the messy brinksmanship in Congress made business owners more uncertain and consumers less confident.
American leadership is the one constant in an uncertain world.
This is the source of our confidence, the knowledge that God calls on us to shape an uncertain destiny.
Right now, the rules governing fuel economy in this country are inadequate, uncertain, and in flux.
Unfortunately, faced with an uncertain threat, our government made a series of hasty decisions.
When my administration took office and began going over Chrysler's books, the future of this great American car company was uncertain.
And I understand that people are feeling uncertain about this. They feel anxious, partly because we've just become so cynical about what government can accomplish that people's attitudes are, even though I don't like this devil, at least I know it, and I like that more than the devil I don't know. So he was a voice of certainty in a world that was growing more and more uncertain.
For too long, our auto industries faced uncertain and conflicting fuel economy standards, and that made it difficult for you to plan down the road. When all the pundits had written us off, when we were down in the polls, this is the state that inspired us to keep on going, even when the path was uncertain. And because of you,
they will take a chance, often, in a field of battle where they're trying to deal with uncertain information, and they're not sure whether that's an attack coming or not, or which house these shots are being fired from.
When you inevitably face setbacks, when the fighting is fierce or a village elder is fearful, when the end that you are seeking seems uncertain, think back to West Point.
Their discussions indicate that they are very uncertain about the state of aggregate demand and that they are beefing up their toolbox of things they can do if things falter more than they expect. So
if the markets start feeling that we're not serious about the problem, and if you start seeing investors feel uncertain about the future, then they could pull back right at the time when the economy is taking off.
And although the path from dictatorship to democracy is always uncertain and fraught with danger, what we've seen also is that human spirit eventually will defeat repressive governments.
It's that moment in the midst of battle, when the bullets are flying and the outcome is uncertain, when Americans and Aussies look over at each other, knowing that we've got each other's backs, knowing in our hearts, no worries, she'll be right.